here at the Cayuga Nature Center. Today, I want to talk a little bit about our past and present Cayuga Lake tanks. We're going to start with the past tank. Several hundred years ago, before European settlement, Cayuga Lake and the surrounding area looked pretty different than what it does today. We're going to start by looking at the background. So you'll notice that there's a lot of forest and trees, as well as some plants that really like being along the lake edge. These are going to specifically be the iris and the horsetail. You'll see a lot of familiar animals, such as the red-winged blackbird and the mink. These are all species that would live around the lake and still do today. You're also going to see other animal species, such as painted turtles, the otter, and the wood duck. All of these animals still live around Cayuga Lake today. However, their populations and their location in regards to where the lake is might be a little bit different because of the disturbance. You're also going to see in the tank large and smallmouth bass and Atlantic salmon. Atlantic salmon are native to Cayuga Lake. They are simply a landlocked population of Atlantic salmon, meaning that they can't get back out into the ocean. They live solely in Cayuga Lake and its tributaries. The Atlantic salmon in Cayuga Lake today are mostly from fisheries. They are stocked, which means that we, people, put them into the lake. They have a hard time reproducing in the lake, and we're not totally sure why. One of the leading theories is because of an introduced food source called the alewife. An alewife is a small fish that are super tasty as salmon. Unfortunately, there's a chemical in there that we believe messes with the Atlantic salmon's ability to reproduce. We're going to talk a little bit about the present tank now. You're going to notice the big difference right away is the habitat. So that back mural is going to look like farmland. There are still forests, but there are significantly more fields as well. So because that habitat has changed around the lake, some of the more prominent animals have also changed. So what you're going to see is you're going to see more seagulls, you're going to see red-eared sliders, which is the turtle in our tank that is actually not native to the area. It was introduced, and we believe part of that was through people releasing their pets into the wild. And we're also going to see some other species like the European starling, also not native. In this tank, you're going to see some more fish species, including brown and rainbow trout, that were both introduced to the area. You're also going to see a non-native brown goby and a koi fish. A koi fish is kind of like your pet goldfish. They're often bought as pets, but they can get very large, so when they outgrow their tanks, sometimes pet owners unfortunately let them go into the lake. This is bad for the native population of other fish, but it's also not great for the pet. Unfortunately, native mussel populations are being damaged by the brown goby eating them and the zebra mussels out eating them for food. This is a really good example of how invasive species can damage our native wildlife.